HeyGen just added a video upscaler to their platform. And they're using Topaz Starlight Precise 2.5, one of the most powerful upscaling models available. If you don't have a HeyGen account, create one for free. When you land on the homepage, look for the video upscale option. Then tap Try Now. Now upload your video. Important, on the free plan you can only upscale videos up to 30 seconds. So make sure your clip is 30 seconds or under before uploading. You only get one free upscaling run. And if you want unlimited free Topaz upscaling runs, I have a full video coming on that. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Once uploaded, choose your output frame rate. Then select your output resolution. And finally, tap Upscale to 4K. Give it a few minutes. When it's ready, tap the download icon and hit download. And here's the output.